Smaller building.
It's serrated though.
Doug want those.
It's tape, just rip the...
Alright, I need to break it. That's all.
There you go. Unless it has that little...
Oh, flip over. Derp.
You're a derp already.
This side.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh, it's in plastic.
Oh. We're getting
All
close.
wrapped in plastic.
Probably
It's like a clear garbage bag.
Even more padding to get
Get
through.
a hand to lift them up.
Don't
I'm
touch
just
it!
gonna
It's
do it
mine.
this way.
You're not supposed to help people open their presents. It pisses them off.
I thought he was just gonna like lift it straight up.
Feet.
Pause. Big feet.
Big cocksuckers. Look at this guy.
Thomas would be like,
It's true.
Awesome. That's actually really nice fur.
he's gonna wear those as slippers in the house.
Yeah, I'm sure my parents will appreciate it. It's actually really good.
He has an art too, doesn't he? I remember my suit was that way.
When it was.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
Use some
That last.
OxyClean.
Filled full of hitty goodness.
Ooh.
Woo!
Take it off! Put it back on!
Wow. It's actually, you know what? For me, in the box, it's really not that bad.
What's next?
Super curl. The super curl.
See, that's the big thing about that is you can like.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Take it off.
Super curl.
It's like hyper curl.
It looks like one of those fossilized like shells.
It's actually pretty true.
I think that's made of this. Like,
You're the best bud! My god! It's like, let me out.
Whoa.
I can't breathe.
I'm fucking like, I've been like a mess all day. One track fucking
I
mind.
know.
I was like,
You had your mind on one thing
because
and
I
one
did, I
thing
blew up your
only.
guys' phones all
Yeah.
day.
what sucks about mine is I was going to work when it said in delivery, like in transit delivery or whatever.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. That looks so nice.
Just spike his hair.
Got the flu.
I was got the moving jaw too.
Does it?
Yeah, yeah,
I didn't know he did moving jaws.
yeah. He does moving
Blah,
jaws.
blah,
Oh,
blah,
wow.
blah, blah, blah.
Pause or-
Where's the tongue?
Oh yeah, changeable tongues.
Detachable penis. Does that have a zipper in the crotch too?
Oh my god. No. No, I didn't opt out.
Oh wait, no.
Pop.
Pop.
Oh,
Oh, I see the purple on that.
You'll sink a purple pop ads. I'm gonna get indoor feet done at some point, I think. But
No. Summer tires, winter tires.
yeah, pretty much me. Yeah.
That's awesome.
So is it visible? No.
Bleh.
Blah.
Bleh.
It's awesome.
They all have like attributes. Those they have to stick shit. It's like a full set bonus.
Actually, like really comfortable.
They're probably slippers.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
What's the head?
Putting the head on.
Normal.
Make a
The very
fun.
first time.
That's what I said about my winter tires.
Yeah.
Like, the wheels. I'm like,
Wearing your new Fursuit.
didn't stop me from going to work. You
Blah,
haven't fell off the car yet.
blah,
so-
blah. Under Armour. Oh, that looks right.
Yeah, it's better because the
Yeah, when
mouth
you-
started moving.
Oh my god.
Doggy. Ace.
Yeah, the paw cuffs go under and inside the body sleeve, so you got it right. Hi, Doug.
It's awesome.
You look cute.
Make a dog noise.
Bark.
Sounds like me, yeah. Proud of you.
He taught you well.
Oh.
Watch yourself.
Oh yeah, you also get to explore your new blind spots.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, you know what? I was expecting it to be worse, but it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Oh god.